Hello everyone. Today we will show you how we installed a kitchen faucet. You can see this is the old one. And then this is the new one after we installed it. We changed faucets because ours was leaking and I don't know how to repair it. So, went to Walmart and bought the other one. Here's what we have to start with. It's important to look and know what you have before you buy another one. Look underneath before you buy another one. You can see there are 3 holes in the bottom of this sink. Maybe hard to see, but there they are. So make sure your new one has the capability to cover the 3 holes. Because when you remove the old one, you'll see. And look at how the connections are too, in case you need to buy anything else wherever you buy your faucet at. And remove everything. As you can see, there was stuff down there. We removed it. As you're working, remember not to bump the pipes if you can, because you'll create another problem. So first things first, shut off valves. Turn those valves off before you start working. Okay? We had a vase sitting around, so we put a vase under there to catch the water. We later decided, you know what, we should have a rag too. You see those fittings? That's what I loosened, okay? And then the vase caught the majority of the water, and the rags wiped up the little bit that I missed going into the vase. Okay. So again, take those fittings off the copper. I had to use a crescent wrench, which I'll show a picture of in a minute. I already loosened those nuts that hold the faucet on itself. Okay, this is the old faucet still. Okay, there's my crescent wrench. Okay, and when you loosen the lines, you are going to have a little water, so you just take the line, use gravity to your advantage, dump it in the vase. Okay, there it is. Took those off. Now this fitting, that is for the sprayer. Okay, that connects to the faucet. And the other side connects to the sprayer. You should just be able to squeeze that, push it up, and then it pulls off. That's how they're designed to work. However, things do not always work as they should. Okay, so now that the camera's focused, I'll show you again. Just reach in there, squeeze the sides. Okay, you push up slightly and then pull down and it should come off. However, this one did not. So I decided, why work on my back when I could just go ahead and lift this out of there? Makes sense, right? Okay, we're not keeping this faucet because I don't know how to repair it. So I decided to just take scissors to that line and then we'll just throw the whole faucet away because I'm not reusing it. I don't know how to fix it. Take a plastic scraper and clean this up, okay? That way it's ready for your new faucet. And there is the new faucet. We took it out of the box, put it on the ground, looking at everything we have. We have a rubber washer. Can't see the metal washer, but it is there. And then you have the nut that screws that on, and we'll show you. And that base covers everything on top. Okay? All right, so let's get this installed. So we put it in there, and you could see the 2 washers in the nut, okay? And now you can see the 3 holes from the bottom side. Now, that just presses in there, just like I showed you before, slightly different, but it's just for the sprayer. I ended up taking those other supply lines off, had to hook these directly up, just because that's how it had to work, okay? Again, be careful not to bump your drain lines, or you'll have more repairs to do. I'm just showing you everything we're working with, and then we'll move forward. All right, that's the installed. That's how it looks. We did some caulk around the base. Okay, it's white right now. It will dry clear. It's called clear caulking, okay? And we did that to keep any water that gets there from going through those other 2 holes in the sink that we don't need, but they're still there. Hey, thanks for watching.